Good guys, when we click up here, we delete this info point PHP, we are left with only the local host. We press enter and it goes to the dashboard because it's programmed like this in Apache, right? In this dashboard, there are several little things here like the PHP info itself, which is another file, right? What's here? And there is also the PHP myadmin. PHP myadmin. It is a program made in PHP for us to manage MySQL, to be able to have access to it, right? And to be able to create databases like this, as for example here, and then be able to stir in tables. If you click here on the test, it's just the database. If you click here on the schematic, there's all these tables. And in MySQL itself has these other tables. If I click here on the user table is here showing the users to you. And here you can see the structure of what this user table of the MySQL database looks like. Has the name of the fields, the type, the character collection that is, and so on. But we are not going to go into these details now. The important thing is that you come here again. Put the name here, for example. My site used this UTS-8, which is a table of characters, right? Let's create. And that's it, he created here my site, okay. Let's take that name. Let's get into the Explorer. Inside, from htdocs, we're going to right-click on the white here, create the folder, my website. Let's get inside it. So, for you to understand, in the C2 dots, this C2.computer, champ, htdocs, inside I created a folder, my website. Good. What are we going to do now? We're going to come over here. I typed in Google WordPress. Let's look here, for example, WordPress, body. Let's download WordPress. Let's download the 661 here. I'll download it here, it downloads. He is downloading it for us. Let's wait a little. Okay guys, the download is over. So you can come here, it will open the downloads folder for you, right? I'm going to right-click the extract. He's showing these 5 because I've done it previously. Endorsement? Let's wait for the extraction to happen. Well guys, now I'm going to grab it here and go into the extracted WordPress folder. I'm going to give, with Control-A, in the case of Apple, Control or right, Control-A, right-click. Copy everything, right, and I'll enter. In the folder, C:\zamp, htdocs, inside that folder that we made my website, I'm going to throw it here, paste. Let's wait for him to copy to us the contents of the WordPress folder, which he is playing inside my site. Good guys. Now, we're going to do the following. We're going to copy that name again from my site, just so you guys understand. Let's get in here at the rush spot. In this other tab, let's put here, /my website. And it starts installing WordPress, right? So let's do the following. Let's go. The database name. It's the one we put here, my website. We created it, right? The user in this case is root. In that XAMPP, the root user password is white. We will use the local host server. And here is a table prefix that can be blank, or you can put whatever you want here. I'm going to use WordPress's own, and I'm going to upload. Very well. He's saying he's going to install. Let's continue. Already installed. And he's asking to set up the title of the site here. I'll put, my site is the same, right? A little more beautiful. The username will be admin. The password I'll put here. 1, test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just for us to test. Confirm use of weak password for now. Then you can make better passwords, no problem. And the email you want, okay? For example, mine is this one here. And prevent search engines from indexing websites, if that were the case, but it doesn't have to. You could click this one if you wanted, but I don't think so, right? I think everyone wants to be indexed. Well, install WordPress. And ready, it has been installed. Let's access. If you just take this address, put here copy-paste, it will show you the little site that was installed by default WordPress. And here we can use that admin. The password, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and enter. Where to? For the WordPress admin area. So you guys made it to the end of the course. And I hope you like it by my next courses like PHP, for example. See you guys in the next classes.